Let's simplify expressions with polynomials. Problem number 1. Step 1. Complete all polynomial multiplications. The first polynomial multiplication I will complete is the quantity n squared plus 4 times the quantity 2n to the 4th power minus 6. To complete this polynomial multiplication, I set up a 2 by 2 multiplication box model, n squared and positive 4 on the rows, 2n to the 4th, and negative 6 on the columns. N squared times 2n to the 4th equals 2n to the 6th power. N squared times negative 6 equals negative 6n squared. 4 times 2n to the 4th equals 8n to the 4th. And 4 times negative 6 equals negative 24. Inside of this box model, there are no like terms. 2n to the 6th plus 8n to the 4th minus 6n squared minus 24. Let's build the rest of the expression around this result. 3 times our result minus the polynomial n to the 4th plus 4n squared minus 10. The next multiplication to complete is to distribute the 3 through the 4 terms inside of our result. 3 times 2n to the 6th equals 6n to the 6th. 3 times positive 8n to the 4th equals positive 24n to the 4th. 3 times negative 6n squared equals negative 18n squared. And 3 times negative 24 equals negative 72. Bringing down the rest of the expression, we are now complete with all multiplications inside of our original expression. How did we complete all polynomial multiplications? To complete the polynomial multiplication, we multiplied the two polynomials away from the expression, but then we take the result and we put it back into the original expression so that we can continue simplifying the whole expression. Step 2. Combine polynomials. To combine polynomials, we need all of the terms to be outside of parentheses. Our current expression has one polynomial inside of parentheses, and the sign in front of this polynomial is a minus sign, meaning that when we take these terms out of this parentheses, we will change the signs of all the terms inside. 6n to the 6th plus 24n to the 4th minus 18n squared minus 72. Positive n to the 4th becomes minus n to the 4th. Positive 4n squared becomes minus 4n squared. And minus 10 becomes plus 10. We can now look for like terms and combine. The first term, 6n to the 6th, has no other n to the 6th term. There are two n to the 4th terms, positive 24n to the 4th and negative 1n to the 4th, and we combine these to a positive 23n to the 4th. There are two n squared terms, negative 18n squared and negative 4n squared, and these combine to a negative 22n squared. And there are two constant terms, negative 72 and positive 10, and these combine to a negative 62. How did we combine the polynomials? To combine the polynomials, we needed to make sure that every term was outside of parentheses. We remembered our keep-change rules when taking terms outside of polynomial parentheses, and then we look for like terms and add their coefficients. The simplified expression answer is 6n to the 6th power plus 23n to the 4th power minus 22n squared minus 62. You are now ready to simplify expressions with polynomials in problem number 2.